Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by accessing the TV picture menu and your source device settings so you control both sides. First, disable any auto-resize or fit-to-screen features. This prevents devices from overriding TV cropping. Then set aspect ratio to 16, 9, or just scan depending on model. Once done, reduce zoom or picture size by one step to test. You need the remote and at least one HDMI input free, so you can quickly toggle and evaluate changes. Now refine the visible area by combining TV and source controls for precise results. On the TV, use horizontal/vertical position and pixel shift if available to nudge edges. On a PC or media player, change resolution or set scaling to 0. 95 when supported. Use a full-screen test image or grid to reveal overscan and alignment errors. Make small incremental changes and recheck. This prevents clipping. Once balanced, save the picture mode so your reduced screen layout. To finish, save your adjustments as a custom picture preset and verify on each input. If parts of the image are cut off, toggle overscan or set the source to pixel perfect or just scan. These options change how pixels map and often fix edge loss. If motion or scaling artifacts appear, revert stepwise or adjust source resolution by one increment. If nothing helps, perform a factory reset only after noting your saved values. This clears persistent firmware glitches while preserving your troubleshooting notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.